Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about iPhone X. This is a iPhone X. So I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. iOS 15 without jailbreak you can bypass if you have Mac operating system. So I will show you. As you can see, after restore, when I need to active ask Apple ID and password, I don't know. So I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. Okay. So first you need to connect your devices. After connect, you need to open 𝐓𝐴𝐵𝐷 activator bypass tool. After open, just click check serial number. So when you click check serial number, here showing not register 𝐒𝐶ID. So you need to first active 𝐒𝐶ID number. This is 𝐒𝐶ID number. I have already active, that's why showing 𝐒𝐶ID number. When you active, after click serial check, then showing this serial number. You need to copy and save, and need to change SN number. This one you need to change this one. After active, now I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. Just connect with recovery mode. Press power button and connect. Only power button need to press, no need to press another button. After press power button, wait a few seconds, automatically going recovery mode. Okay, now as you can see, now going recovery mode. Now I need to press volume down and power button for DFB mode. Now I need to select here and press, click DFB mode and start button. Now release power button, wait a few seconds. When going automatic DFB mode, now going DFB mode. So now you need to click here purple pro mode. Okay, I click purple pro mode. Now click here run checkmate. Now click OK. After successful, when you click OK, wait few times, automatically go in purple pro mode. Then you can change SN number for bypass iCloud ID using 𝐓𝐴𝐵𝐷 activator bypass tool. Now as you can see, going purple pro mode. Now you need to select here and select port, connect and change SN. Successful. Okay, now automatically change SN number. You need to reboot, so you can reboot from here also. Okay, just wait few seconds. Just click here. As you can see, change serial number automatically. Reboot. Now automatically reboot these devices. Now I need to close. And again run. Wait a few minutes. After change SN number, you must be click check serial number, because if not click check serial number, you will can't successful to bypass iCloud ID. So wait a few minutes. After run, I will show you. Now click here check serial check. Okay, after click serial check, now showing done. That means serial number already changing. So now I can bypass iCloud ID. Wait a few seconds. After run, I will show you. As you can see, not automatically changing. So click OK. Now again you need to connect DFB mode. Just wait a few seconds. press power button only, same like before. Now I just click here, click start. Now press volume down and power button. Now release power button. When going automatically DFE mode, automatically close this option. Okay. Now I need to click board. If any issues, then I need to select board too. Okay. Now successful, no have any problem. Downloading files. After downloading, sending. Just wait a few seconds. Now sending files. If any issues, then you need to select board too. After sending files, then you need to click and you need to select access check button. Wait a few minutes. Now successful. Now click check access. After connect check access button, then you can work, and also you can bypass iCloud ID. It's main important. Now successful to connect. Now click hello screen no signal. Now successful to bypass iCloud ID. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID using 𝐓𝐶 activator bypass tool. Now wait, after run I will show you. Now no need to connect. In this case don't need to use DC/SD cable, only use normal USB cable for bypass iCloud ID. Alhamdulillah, finally bypass successful. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID using 𝐓𝐶 activator bypass tool. As you can see, I bypass iCloud ID. So like that you can bypass also iCloud ID. As you can see, wait and see, I will show you step by step. Just wait and see. continue, escape, continue. Now you can see finally bypass done. So like that you can bypass iCloud ID inside, as you can see, iPhone X. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.